Right then, another T5 vlog. This is probably one of the worst ones I've done because everything's pretty much done and I'm starting it. So a bit annoying really because we've been getting cracked on a bit quicker than I've been able to have time to talk about it. So I'm probably going to get it all in wrong order, so I'll not even try to. Ryan's just putting the stickers on the side. These are actually reflective vinyl, and that's going to be the same that we're putting on the sides as well. We had the black stuff going down the side, so that's that. We do know we're missing Instagram, that innit? I think it's Instagram. We're missing that. Don't know why, but we are. The chassis, that's only just been done today, so we're definitely in wrong order. But we've just painted all that again because it started looking a bit tatty. I don't know what it was painted in last time, but it didn't look good anyway. So while we're there, we've just done that. A few hours work, not a big deal. And then we've just touched in and polished the stuff that we didn't paint last time, but these are going to get battered anyway, so I just said there's no point fully painting this again. This is where it gets all scratched and scuffed when you're using it, so really happy with that. And then this is where all the work's been. So every piece, even underneath, has all been done with Raptor. So quite hard wearing stuff, shouldn't cause any problems. But then the bed itself, where the car's going to be driving, we've put this stuff on. So the Raptor traction aid, it's like glass. Nice stuff really. Just mixed a bit of that in with the paint, and then this stuff, it's like crazy. There's definitely no chance of it slipping. It feels even rougher than grip tape. So as long as that stays on, it'll be pretty good. And we've done the other ramps and the ramp carrier. These are the spare ramps that we have, which weigh more than the actual ramps. So we ought to really re-engineer them. But they're just in case you've got a lowered car, you need to get them on. And one of the reasons, all this little bits of stuff is one of the reasons why this weighs a bit more than it should do. With everything stripped off, the winch off and everything, it's high 1900s or thereabouts with somebody in it. So my video's not doing any of the lads' work justice. We had to have it all blasted, rubbed loads of stuff down. It's just took absolutely ages. Would have probably not done that if we'd have known how much work it was going to be. But I'm hoping after the truck's done on the dyno, it's just going to look so much better when it's all back together. So that'll probably be in a couple of videos time when it all gets mated together and sorted, but we'll see. So the bed's on. This has been the biggest pain because we had this galvanised and then it's moved a little bit and then the Raptor's been put on. It's made it a little bit thicker, so painful, but it's on now. A few little bits of touching up to do after spraying it with hammer, but it's on at least. So we've got all new hardware. That's a bit of touching up to do. Dean ordered some nice bolts and some nice nuts to sort all that. So every nut and bolt that holds the bed on has all been replaced. And as you can see, we've done all underneath as well, so it's not going to cause any problems in the future. So hopefully the next part of this video, as it being outside, with all new lights, fittings, fixings, everything's all going to be sorted. So we'll get it out, then we'll be road testing it hopefully, so we'll see. So the transformation is complete. Finally got it sorted. It's been a real pig getting everything on the back all sorted. But the front looks sweet, happy with the wheels, really good. And then the bed, I'm not quite sure it'll worth all the effort, but Alan and Dave's done a really good job. Got it as good as it can be. The Raptor is like horrendously rough, so worse than grip tape. So yeah, that is it's going to be pretty good. We painted the spare wheels, but I don't think we showed that last time. Still got the diesel drums to go on there, and obviously we've got the wheel carrier. Yeah, it looks pretty good. We left this, because this is stainless steel, we just left that as it was. Put some new straps on there, and yeah, I think it looks sweet. So appreciate the efforts from everybody involved. It's took absolutely ages. Definitely not doing another one again. If you want a Raptor line of the bed on your truck, probably don't bother. We'll see how hard wearing it is. Couple of little pieces where you can see where we've not even loaded a car on it yet. You can see where it's sort of chipping away when the plates are moving independently. So if it's like a checker plate, complete piece, it'd probably be better. But yeah, not perfect, but not bad by any stretch. And onto driving the truck next, hopefully.